Hello guys, so on this video I will show you how you can create your ChatGPT account for 100% free. If you don't know what is ChatGPT, ChatGPT is a AI software which is artificial intelligence which you can use to write articles, anything you want to write about. Can even use ChatGPT to write a book. Just keep on watching, let me show you how you can create your ChatGPT account for free. So the first thing you need to do is to come to Google and search for ChatGPT. So once you search for ChatGPT, this first link will display. All you just need to do is to click on it. So once you click on it, it will show this page here, which is ChatGPT homepage here. Just scroll down a bit and click on this section where it said try ChatGPT. I will click on that. And once you click on it, it's going to take you to this session. And once you take it to this session, this is the session where you'll be able to log in if you already have an account, or you can sign up if you don't have an account, which is to create your account. We'll click on sign up here. So once we click on sign up here, it's going to show this page asking us to create our account. So what you need to do here is to enter your Gmail here. I will type in my Gmail. So now that I've typed in my Gmail here, I will click on continue. But you can see that you can log in with your Google account, or you can log in with your Microsoft account. But I'm going to use my Gmail, my original Gmail, to sign in directly. I will click on continue here. So once I click on continue, it's going to take me to this page asking me to enter my password. I will just type in my password now. So once I'm done typing in my password here, I will click on this section where it said continue. So once I click on continue here, it's going to take me to this page. So it's going to show me this, say we sent an email to this my Gmail here, and all I just need to do is to go and click on that Gmail so that my account will be verified. So I will go to my Gmail account. This is the Gmail that I just received from ChatGPT. I will click on that, and once I click on it, it will open. I will click on verify email address. So once I click on it, it's going to open a page for me again. So we have opened this page, and now my account has been verified. The next thing is to enter my name here. What I will enter, I will type in favor here. I will just type in favor, and I will type in John here. So I will just type in John and click on continue. So here it's going to tell me to verify my account with my phone number. I will type in my phone number here, and all I just need to do now is to type in my phone number. So I will type in my phone number and click on send code. So it's going to send me the code now. So as you can see, take me to this step. All I need to do now is to type in the code that they sent to me. The code was 300635. So that is the code. Automatically, it's going to open my ChatGPT account right now. So just wait, and you can see it's loading. It's loading. Boom. So now, congratulations, you have just created your ChatGPT account. So this is how the ChatGPT interface look. And if you want to upgrade your account to ChatGPT Plus, you can click here to pay $20 every single month. But you don't need the monthly subscription because ChatGPT have the free plan which can do everything for you. So that is it. And you just need to look through the advantage and the disadvantage of the free one and the paid one so that you can choose. But for me, I'm using the free version of ChatGPT. So that is how you can create your ChatGPT account for 100% free without paying any money. So click on this session and you start typing something here. Just type something. I will just quickly type something in just a second. So this is just a simple question. Hello, can you give me 5 business ideas to make money online? I click on this icon. So once I click on it, now you can see ChatGPT is going to start writing, but you will see it says sure, here are 5 potential online business ideas. You can see e-commerce store, online course creator, drop shipping, and affiliate marketing, and the content creation. So that is the 5 business ideas that ChatGPT just give to me, and that is what you can do with ChatGPT. You can use it to write article, come up with an idea of what you want to do. So that is it, guys. I will say thank you. Don't forget again to hit that like button, and you know what to do at the next. Leave me a comment in the comment section.